gentlemen, as I promised you, we back in the arcade. We about to try that QANBA Pearl controller that I was talking about in that other video I had just made. I'm happy y'all can come in and share this moment with us. Give us in the tour of the cave. Oh my God, yeah. Now come back this way, buddy. All the artwork, all the stuff that you see is accumulated, you know, over the years. You know, believe it or not, I started with a GameCube. Can you believe it? I can't either. But anyway, we're gonna test this controller out on a few games today. And before we do that, I would like for you guys to meet my cameraman. So come on around here and step around here and meet my cameraman. Okay.
What up, y'all? I am AJ. I prefer a little A shooter. That is my gamer tag.
Hey!
I am actually a cameraman. I am helping Quentin.
Okay, okay.
It's right.
We're going, all right. I wanted y'all to meet my cameraman. He is part of this stuff and helping me to proceed and strive to be a YouTube icon. Okay, and without further ado, let's get into this controller. Look, we had last left off, we was taking a look at the QANBA Pearl. Oh my God, can you see this? Now check it out, I just figured out. While I was playing, this is the LED light all the way on. Can y'all see the LEDs? That's nice, ain't it, man? I was like, whoa. Okay, now check this out. You can have it on when you hit the button. Can you see it when I hit the button? Can you see the LEDs come on?
No, no.
Okay. Can you see them now? They on? Okay, now check this out. Can you see it now when I hit the button? Okay, alright. Well, this is the... Okay, let's go into this game. We playing, ladies and gentlemen. Dead or alive. Let's see how this... Okay, 2 on the camera. We're going to go to 2. And we're going to give y'all a look at I can play this girl, cause oh my God, and we're playing Dead or Alive. Look at her, oh my God, that's my girl right there. And we're only gonna play a round or 2 because we don't want to be here all day. And I know you guys got better things to do. I'm just trying to give you a demonstration of the controller. However, we will be playing 3 different games. We're gonna play this, we're gonna play Blaze Blue, and then we're gonna play Guilty Gear, and then we're gonna play a little bit of Dragon Ball Z Fighter Z. All right, we're gonna switch back to 2. And we're gonna let this load. Oh my God, can you set these graphics crazy? Graphics crazy. Okay, check this out. Oh my God, I gotta figure out what. Oh my God, this controller, wow. Okay. Oh my God. Ooh, I don't have no problem playing with this. Oh my God, man. Okay. And the buttons feel fresh. I can do my combo. My throw it. Oh my God. Over with. Woo! When I say professional gaming, I mean professional gaming. Ooh, oh my God, you see that move? God. Man, I wouldn't want to be her. Okay, anyway, height with the super throw. And we're going to go back to fire move again. Oh, wait a minute. Get up, girl. Get up. Oh my God. She didn't want to stop hitting her. Oh my God, did you see that? Oh my God, did you see that? Okay, check this out. Give it a few licks of the controller while I'm hitting these buttons. You really don't have to push hard on these buttons to get it to do something. I mean, man, this is straight up. Every time you push, oh my God, I didn't even try to do a power move and controller just did. I think y'all want this controller. Okay, so we're gonna get out of this, y'all. So, cause I know I'm playing like a marvel on here, and we're gonna get into something else. Okay, see how I hit that play. On this button, you got a home button. On this controller, you got a home button. Take you right back to the home. That's nice too. So we're gonna get out of this. It performs, I would say, on a scale from 1 to 10, 9. Hey, okay. Now, what we're gonna do is figure out how we're gonna change. Okay. We don't gotta do that. All right, we can just go straight to Blaze Blue, ladies and gentlemen, and go right in. And we are in Blaze Blue Cross Tag Battle. Okay, this is one of my favorite games, so y'all bear with me. Part 2, in the arcade, in the Japanese community. As you can see, we got the other game. Those 2 pieces there are whole other interviews entirely. Whole other videos entirely. Which we will get into those in a future video. But right now, let's check this intro out on Blaze Blue Cross Tag Battle. Let them check that intro. It's called intro. My man Radner. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. One of the best games in the world. Okay. You get it in the arcade. Oh God, they got Ruby in the anime. You like this game? Play this game? Check out a little bit of the intro. We finna get into this, y'all. Hype up. Here we go. Over with. Rose Tag Battle. A little bit of the intro for you. I got my boy Ragnar. As y'all can see, up here in front of my arcade, in front of the command center, I have Drew's character. Because he's my favorite character in this game. Okay, we're gonna go straight to versus mode. We're gonna go in here and pick my favorite 2 characters. By the way, oh my God, you know what I'm coming. Alright. Let's make it happen. Alright. And we in some actual gameplay with the QANBA Pearl.
Can't escape from crossing fate. Fight!
Oh my God! One more match of this here. Then we gonna get out of this and get into it. Oh my God, this controller is outstanding. Okay, y'all should know. Hey, get one of these. This is 190. Get one of these combos.
Can't escape from crossing fate. Fight!
crazy. It's crazy in the arcade. Let me tell you something. This is a good controller. Get you one of these. It's called a QANBA Pro. It's one, I think 90. Yeah, get you one of these. I think we don't even need to play no more games. You dig? I think this is one of the best controllers you can buy on the market right now. It's about 190. I got it off Amazon. Y'all should take a look at it. It's another one just like this one called the QANBA Obsidian. They both really the same controller with the same. Well, it's just this one's white and the other one I think is gray and black. Yeah, but basically they're the same colors. I'm glad y'all tuned in today. We're gonna have another video coming up Monday on the anime art. So that's gonna be a separate channel. But y'all tune in and make sure y'all tune in because man, you might have a few drawing skills and just might need to know how to do this or that. You'll learn if you tune in. Y'all, you will learn if you tune in. So tune in, and then on future videos, just to give y'all an idea of where we're going. We do all things arcade, all things art, anime. So in future videos, we're gonna cover this Street Fighter main, which has about, oh my God, I'm on page 99 of 250. Runs out for Pandora box. Same with the pedestal, minis of games, minis of systems, you know, running all types of games. So we're going to do some walkthroughs in future videos on older games that you guys might already know most of these games. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 4-player, Mario Kart. Who don't know how to play Mario Kart, okay? Yeah, some great stuff coming up ahead. Hey, show him a picture of Nikki over there in the corner. My man gonna flash on there. You see, Nikki's here too. She has joined us. Stan D. But hey, y'all, make sure y'all tune in to the next video. All in all, I think this is a good controller. Make sure y'all go pick one up if you're serious about fighting games. Pick one of these up. And if you don't even know how to play with this type of controller, just buy one if you got the money anyway. And over a process of the time, you'll learn how to play with that controller. Don't let the controller intimidate you. You intimidate the controller. Yeah. Okay, so without further ado, stay tuned Monday. We're going to do the anime art video. So stay tuned for that. That's coming up Monday. And with that, I'm out. Thank y'all for joining us today, okay? Like and subscribe.